Holes are portals, pathways to connection, anchors for strength, and openings for creation. They shape the projects we build and the stories we tell. Behind every perfect hole is the tool that made it possible. The French Cleat Drill Bit Holder. Coming to your workshop, starting now.
Ugh, where did I leave my drill bits? She really wants those pictures hung up today. And of course, I can't find anything in this mess. This honey-do list never ends.
Ever feel like you're digging for hours just to find the tool you need? Or worse, projects stay unfinished because your tools are out of reach or buried under clutter? Well, say goodbye to the mess, because French Cleat Solutions is here to save the day. How does it work? It's where tech from the past meets tech from the future. For hundreds of years, woodworkers have trusted French cleats for strong modular storage. But now, enter the era of the 3D printer. Layer by layer, or brick by brick, if you will, these tool holders are crafted with precision and care. Check out the French Cleat Drill Bit Organizer for imperial sizes. Designed to keep your drill bits neatly arranged and within easy reach, this sleek solution holds 29 drill bits ranging from 1/16 inch to 1/2 inch in precise 1/64 inch increments. Engineered for seamless integration with 3/4 inch French cleat systems, this organizer installs effortlessly, providing a strong and stable hold on your wall. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly PLA material, it's lightweight yet built to last, combining functionality and modern design to enhance your workshop or garage. Ready to transform your workspace? Don't wait. Grab your 3D printed French Cleat tool holder today and discover even more innovative storage solutions at FrenchCleatSolutions.etsy.com, because every tool deserves a perfect home.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.